LaToya Lewis. I'm from Albany, Georgia. I actually drove 3.5 hours to take this class. I learned so much. Miss Precious is very passionate about what she does. She basically poured her heart out into us, and she blessed us with a gift that we can take back and to our own businesses and grow to gain high clientele, to do just remarkable work. And I'm so excited that she allowed herself to share her gift with us. She was very informative. She was very helpful. We just learned a lot. If you're thinking about doing this draping class, I suggest you do it. Don't wait about it. It's a great investment. If you want to gain that high clientele, you have to invest in yourself, and that's what I did, and that's what I encourage you to do.